With its innovative formula and advanced delivery system, Toujeo unleashes the power to effectively regulate blood sugar levels like never before. Designed to provide long-lasting control, Toujeo's groundbreaking insulin formulation works around the clock to maintain stable blood glucose levels. Its slow-acting properties ensure a consistent release of insulin, reducing the risk of high or low blood sugar spikes. This not only helps individuals with diabetes better manage their condition but also enhances their overall quality of life. Toujeo's user-friendly pen device makes self-administration effortless. Its slim and discreet design allows for convenient use anytime, anywhere. Plus, with its accurate dosing mechanism, individuals can confidently administer the precise amount of insulin required. Say goodbye to the constant monitoring and fluctuations typically associated with diabetes. With Toujeo, take back control of your life and experience improved diabetes management like never before. Embrace the power of Toujeo and step into a future where diabetes no longer defines you. Understanding diabetes management. Managing diabetes can be a challenging task for individuals. The constant need to monitor blood sugar levels, administer insulin, and make lifestyle adjustments can be overwhelming. Traditional insulin options often fall short in providing the necessary stability and control needed to effectively manage diabetes. Challenges of traditional insulin options. Traditional insulin options have limitations that can hinder optimal diabetes management. Short-acting insulins require multiple injections throughout the day, leading to inconvenience and potential difficulties in adherence. Additionally, the risk of hypoglycemia or low blood sugar is higher with short-acting insulins, making it harder to maintain stable glucose levels. Long-acting insulins, on the other hand, may not provide sufficient coverage over a 24-hour period. This can result in blood sugar fluctuations and the need for additional corrective measures. The lack of consistent insulin release may also lead to unpredictable highs and lows, impacting the individual's overall well-being and quality of life. The benefits of Toujeo insulin. Toujeo insulin offers a host of benefits that address the challenges faced by individuals managing diabetes. Its innovative formulation provides long-lasting control, maintaining stable blood glucose levels throughout the day and night. With Toujeo, individuals experience fewer fluctuations and a reduced risk of high or low blood sugar spikes. The prolonged action of Toujeo insulin ensures a consistent release of insulin, eliminating the need for frequent injections. This convenience allows individuals to focus on their daily activities without the constant interruption of blood sugar management. Toujeo's user-friendly pen device makes self-administration effortless, enhancing the overall experience for individuals managing their diabetes. How Toujeo insulin works. Toujeo insulin works by utilizing a unique formulation that allows for a slow and consistent release of insulin into the bloodstream. This slow-acting property ensures a continuous and stable coverage of insulin throughout the day, providing individuals with a reliable and predictable insulin response. Toujeo's innovative mechanism of action not only helps maintain blood sugar levels but also reduces the risk of hypoglycemia. By mimicking the body's natural insulin release, Toujeo provides a more physiological approach to diabetes management, offering individuals the stability and control they need. Dosage and administration guidelines for Toujeo insulin. Proper dosage and administration of Toujeo insulin are crucial for optimal diabetes management. It is essential to consult with a healthcare professional for personalized guidance and recommendations based on individual needs. Toujeo insulin is typically administered once daily and should be injected subcutaneously. The dosage may vary depending on factors such as age, weight, and individual insulin requirements. Healthcare professionals can provide specific instructions on the appropriate dosage and administration technique to ensure the best possible outcomes. Real-life success stories with Toujeo insulin. The effectiveness of Toujeo insulin is best demonstrated through real-life success stories. Individuals who have switched to Toujeo have reported significant improvements in their diabetes management. They have experienced more stable blood sugar levels, reduced hypoglycemic events, and an overall enhanced quality of life. One such success story is Sarah, who had struggled with managing her diabetes for years. After switching to Toujeo, she noticed a remarkable difference in her blood sugar stability. Sarah no longer experienced extreme highs and lows, giving her peace of mind and the ability to focus on her daily activities without constant interruptions. Common side effects of Toujeo. Hypoglycemia. Hypoglycemia, or low blood sugar, is a common side effect of Toujeo and other insulin-based medications. It can manifest as shakiness, sweating, irritability, confusion, and in severe cases, seizures or loss of consciousness. To mitigate hypoglycemia, it's crucial to monitor blood sugar levels regularly and be aware of the signs of low blood sugar. Consuming a source of glucose such as fruit juice or candy can help raise blood sugar levels. Injection site reactions. Toujeo, like other injectable medications, can cause redness, swelling, or itching at the injection site. These reactions are typically mild and tend to subside over time. Rotating injection sites and using proper injection techniques can help minimize these reactions. Weight gain. Some individuals may experience weight gain while using Toujeo. It's essential to maintain a healthy diet and exercise regularly to manage weight effectively. Allergic reactions. In rare cases, Toujeo may trigger an allergic reaction, leading to symptoms such as rash, itching, swelling, severe dizziness, or difficulty breathing. If any allergic reactions occur, seek immediate medical attention. Fluid retention. Fluid retention or edema might occur, causing swelling in the ankles, feet, or hands. Monitoring fluid intake and consulting a healthcare professional is crucial if this side effect is observed. Digestive issues. Some users may experience gastrointestinal issues such as nausea, stomach pain, diarrhea, or constipation. Maintaining a balanced diet and staying hydrated can help alleviate these symptoms. Less common side effects. Lipodystrophy. Toujeo injections can cause changes in fat distribution at the injection site. It might manifest as either fat loss, lipoatrophy, or fat accumulation, lipohypertrophy. Vision changes. In rare instances, individuals may experience changes in vision or develop difficulties in focusing. Regular eye checkups are advisable for individuals using Toujeo. Elevated heart rate. Toujeo can occasionally lead to an increased heart rate, tachycardia. If this occurs persistently or is accompanied by other concerning symptoms, medical attention is essential. Comparing Toujeo with other insulin options. When comparing Toujeo with other insulin options, its unique benefits become apparent. Unlike short-acting insulins that require multiple daily injections, Toujeo provides long-lasting coverage with just one injection per day. This convenience reduces the burden of frequent injections, making diabetes management more manageable. Compared to long-acting insulins, Toujeo offers a more consistent and predictable release of insulin. This stability translates to better blood sugar control and a reduced risk of hypoglycemia. Toujeo's innovative formulation sets it apart from other insulin options, providing individuals with a superior diabetes management experience. Tips for using Toujeo insulin effectively. To maximize the benefits of Toujeo insulin, here are some tips for effective usage. Follow healthcare professional instructions. It is crucial to adhere to the dosage and administration guidelines provided by healthcare professionals. They can tailor the insulin regimen to individual needs, ensuring optimal diabetes management. Monitor blood sugar levels regularly. Regular blood sugar monitoring is essential to track the effectiveness of Toujeo insulin. This allows for adjustments in the dosage or treatment plan as needed. Maintain a healthy lifestyle. Alongside insulin therapy, adopting a healthy lifestyle is crucial for overall diabetes management. This includes regular exercise, a balanced diet, and stress management techniques. Stay informed. Keeping up to date with the latest research and developments in diabetes management can help individuals make informed decisions about their treatment options. Healthcare professionals and diabetes support groups are valuable sources of information. Conclusion: embracing the future of diabetes management with Toujeo. Toujeo insulin represents a groundbreaking innovation in diabetes management. Its unique formulation and delivery system provide individuals with the power to effectively regulate blood sugar levels like never before. By offering long-lasting control, convenience, and stability, Toujeo helps individuals take back control of their lives and embrace a future where diabetes no longer defines them. Say goodbye to the constant monitoring and fluctuations typically associated with diabetes. With Toujeo, experience improved diabetes management and enjoy an enhanced quality of life. Unleash the power of Toujeo and step into a future where diabetes is no longer a barrier to living life to the fullest. Thanks for watching.